Hello, my name is Maru and I am a South African living in the UK. I work as a healthcare assistant and a support worker. Today is my off day. Baton. So spend the day with me, okay? Spend these couple of hours with me. Did a very quick grocery haul. I couldn't even record most of it, but yeah, I need to prepare all these things because we are gonna be going somewhere. So I need to be doing some cooking. So there's chicken, there's pizza, our lovely cornflakes, snacks for the kids. All right, snacks for the kids, some wipes, some fruit, and some pumpkin, some chips, and some, yeah, here we go, fruit. So we're just gonna, and some pies. I'm just gonna prepare these because, yeah, the weekend is filled with a couple of interesting things for us to do. Hopefully the sun will be in our favor. These are really nice, aren't they? They're nice. There's a bee. What is it doing? I'm an aspiring vegetarian. I'll get there one day. One day is one day. But guys, did you know that in the UK it is not very easy for you to get tripe, malamogodo and stuff like that? It is actually illegal, I heard. I went to a butcher because that's where we buy meat in the farms and stuff like that. So we went there, we're like, oh, do you have ezingaphakathi? And the guy was like, no, we don't offer that because it's not allowed. So wherever people are getting them, they're getting them from the back door. And I don't know if it is because it's just beef or cow that's not allowed. I don't know. But then I visited a friend of mine and she actually gave me goat. Yeah, is it goat? Is it goat or sheep? I get maybe, but one of the two. And I was like, oh, that's it. Thank you. I'm going to prepare for my husband because he enjoys eating it. I don't like cooking it in my house because, but I'm going to make it today. So this is it. It's a little bit different. It does not look like the cow one. It was actually my first time to see this color, but I'm going to make it. I don't make these in the house. So yeah, I'm gonna just prepare this, make sure it boils because they usually take some time to cook. I don't know if this one takes as long as the cow one does, but we're gonna give it a shot. So probably not the best way to cut it, but if you're with somebody, then it's easier. But I'm alone. Oops. It better be worth it. Your way. I have goals for the week that I want to achieve now. I actually started a couple of weeks ago, but then it's something that I wasn't recording necessarily, but then I synced up my watch setting last week so I can actually keep my progress. I want to achieve 6,000 steps right now. I started at 5,000, but now I'm on to 6,000, so I was like, let me do a workout now. The one that I've chosen is 5,600 steps and it's an hour. I'm tired. Fuzzy, you're noisy, baby. After doing 12-hour shifts, 14-hour shifts of being busy, because sometimes when you work in a care home, you are always constantly, sometimes they don't even allow you to sit down like this, up and down the corridor. And sometimes if you are unlucky in the care home, there's no elevators, you'll be up and down the stairs. Your legs, when you finish, itchy. So working out is just something that I wanted to do extra because sickness, just taking care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself, you know, and feel you're strong and healthy. So this is why I was like, even though I work 12 hours and I'm on my feet for the entire 12 hours, I still need to do extra. Okay, so we're gonna do a working workout. I'm definitely not gonna finish it. Oh, I wanted to show you. I'm currently on 1,400 steps. I don't think you can see. My goal is 6,000. Don't know how much I'm gonna do, but let's get it done anyway. 2.5 miles. How many miles is that, Fuzzy? It's far. You haven't done your workout today and you see this, take it as a sign. Get up and do your workout. I'm almost done with mine. Huh? I know. Guys, I'm almost done with mine. I'm just happy to be almost done. Because I'm tired. But it's been a good one. I didn't think that I was going to... there we go. Oh, there we go. Awesome, guys. I didn't think I was going to do the workout, but I have finished it up. 6,000 steps done. And it is only what? It is only 12. So I can relax for the rest of the day. All right, so if you haven't done your steps, guys, or your workout, get up and do it. Guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, and subscribe and share the video with a friend. This is just a simple life in the UK. I don't know if others are living fancy lives, but some of us are living very basic, comfortable lives. While we are still like trying to find our feet here. So guys, thank you so much, and I will see you later.